Okay. Good day, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world right now. We are here today live today on news. So, what's going on? I know that a lot of you will be looking to trade news today. So, we're just doing the stream today just to see how news is going to play out. All right, I think NFP comes out in about 15 minutes. So it's going to be a very interesting one for all of us and for us to wait and see what's going on. Yes, hello, Manny, and hello, Reyes, and Sony as well. You're in a cell. Yeah, it's gonna be very interesting. So that's why I came back on. I'm not staying like we did the other day, but I came back on because I want to see how interest. It's like a big concert. Everyone is showing up to this concert today, so I want to see. This morning, you should be loving this morning with that cell. I think we got a confirmation of two cells this morning using entry two. So if you're still holding on to that cell, you should still be in it right now, and it should be going down nicely. So we didn't get that entry on stream when we initially had come on. However, it confirmed afterwards, and I'm pretty positive that y'all should be in that entry two cell, and that should be going down extremely nicely. I'm still holding on break even since nice. I'm selling since the last setup. Brilliant. My entry two is plus 2%. Nice. And I think this is a very awesome way for us to end the week. Very awesome way for us to end the week. I'm out now. You're out now at TP. Well, that's good. It doesn't matter if you're out now. That was still a brilliant move because it came down um 90 pip, almost 100 pip. We really need to stop doing this. We really need to stop doing this. We definitely need to stop doing this because if we continue to constantly be extracting so much pips from the market, we're going to get in trouble. We're definitely going to get in trouble. We're definitely going to get in trouble. We are cooking as a team, 215 for life. No problem at all. Man, no problem at all. I think Cornelia had sent some gifts on TikTok, I believe, and I said we had to reward her with 30 pips, I believe, and she sent more. Well, there's the more now if she's still holding that position. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. So on the Telegram channel, there is going to be some level of changes on the Telegram channel. However, I will let you guys know um, what's going to happen. All right, what's going to happen? Some changes for the best. So we all ultimately we are waiting. Can you guys hear me? By the way, I'm here talking. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. So we have NFP news. NFP news in 10 minutes. The 215 zone, does it still work? Are we? Well, we have a 150-minute candle closure on the inside. It's just that what I would say, I wouldn't be working with the 215 zone right now. Why? Because the news that is coming in is going to be really strong. So we should be seeing some high manipulation. What I would say would be best to work with would be the support and the resistance, because it's back in the zone. 50-minute candle close in the zone after such a long time, and so we would say that it will still be valid. However, because of the news coming out in 10 minutes, it's just going to be crazy. And look at how the candles are moving right now. They're doing that little up, down move. Yeah, we can hear you. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. All right, guys, show me some love. Show me some love. And like the stream. We only have 2 likes in the stream so far. And remember as well to let your grandparents know that they should subscribe to the 215 Trades channel as well. All right, not only your grandparents, but your in laws, your cousins, your aunts, your sisters, your brothers, and your moms and your dads. All right, let them know. What should I do with my position now? That if you're still talking about that massive position, Sylvia, because of this news, it can drop. It definitely can drop by a massive amount depending on how the news come out. So I would say possibly reduce it some more, take some more profits. Or if it's a case where you have all the pips you need and you're comfortable with whatever is going on, you just leave it. But it's all up to you. All right. If it continues higher, you're gonna be nice. If it continues lower, you're just gonna have less. But you had still eaten some. So if it's a case where you could reduce it some more, you can do that. It's all up to you. Let's see. Adrian, yo bro, what do you think NFP will do? NFP is going to do damage. It is going to do damage, I tell you. Damage. That's definitely for sure. I know for sure that it's gonna cause some damage. Some people are gonna get wrecked today. Some people are gonna cry today. But on the other side of that, some people are going to be smiling today. So it's going to be an epic day. It's going to be an epic day, especially as well next week. Next week is going to be fun filled. Next week is going to be crazy because there's so much news coming out next week. Next week is going to be a fire of a news week with so much volume as well. And if these push it safe, it's going to possibly create some new all-time highs. We possibly may even see the 3,000 mark on gold. If not, we can see gold. If we get some strong sells, we can see gold going back to maybe 2,000, low 2,700, right? When will you be available for a TikTok live? All right, I'm not doing a TikTok live today. Well, I did one earlier, but we got called out on it. They banned the live and then they gave us back the appeal. So they gave us back access to live. So we're not doing a TikTok live today, but Monday again will be the next time we go live on TikTok. But just because it's just a short stream today, just to see how the news impact us, and then after that. So we're only just doing it solo right now on YouTube. Sylvia, actually I do nothing with sell because I have still positions for sell at 286. I still position for sell at 2816. But I'm guessing you still should be in this. How many persons took this entry this morning? How many persons took this entry to this morning? $5 here we go. Yeah, 5 minutes. Should be some crazy dancing going on now on the 5 minute time frame. So let's see what's going to happen. I did. Nice, Manny. Nice. And I'm guessing you're still holding on to that. We're back in a buy zone, though. Definitely for sure. We're back in a buy zone. But let's see if the news is going to do the same thing. All right. So we have Manny who took it. We have Paul who took it. And we have Sylvia who took it. Brilliant. Nice, guys. So we're back in a buy zone. Yesterday, the same thing happened where it came into the zone just before news, closed above the zone, and confirmed a buy in a sense because it retested the 215 zone to let us know that it's still active. Now, let's see what's going to happen when the news come out. Yesterday, it sold off when the news come out. So let's see if it's going to do the same thing today again and just go right down. I'd rather not have money in the drawdown at this time. Makes sense. Makes sense. The thing about it is that when this news come out, it can go up by 100 pip. It can go down by 100 pip. So I like seeing the candle as well. The fact that we are risk free today, even if it goes against us because we took the sell earlier. Yep, that's nice. That's nice. But the next thing again though, even if you go risk free, some of these brokers they will give you like slippage and all. They'll give you slippage and all, and then you know, can push your stop loss way beyond where it's supposed to be, and then delay you. All right, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Let's zoom in because I want to see what's gonna happen today. It's gonna make you or break you today. I tell you that. Three minutes ago. Usually this candle would be behaving more aggressively. Mm. Seems like manipulation. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Are you planning to take an entry if it presents itself? If it presents itself in a time. I had a sell before we went offline before. All right, good. What is it going to do? Is it going to dump? All right, you guys have your buy stop, sell stop sent in as well. Everyone's saying buy. We have people saying sell. Let's see. I think I need more screen data because this is gonna skyrocket. So let's see what's gonna happen. 30 seconds left. One minute. Oh, it's not 1 minute. Just a few seconds. Here we go. That's not looking like a sell. That's not looking like a sell. That's not looking like a sell. Yep, that's not looking like a sell. What's going on? What did the news come out and say? What was the results of the news? Hold on, let me go to forex factor real quick. Ooh, those cells got spank on that. So it's all good, but the non-farm employment change was in red. So we should possibly seeing some. Yeah, we should be seeing some sells now. I guess in that buy would be just manipulation. Really. Yeah, that definitely told you that this candle is gonna make and break some people. That was what an 80 pip move. I thought we would have gotten more aggression from that candle though. But majority of the news which came out, it came out good for the currency. So ideally, you would want to expect for it to continue to go. It tapped your SL, then your TP. Ah, yes. How many persons take a buy on that? Here comes the sell now, which would be expected because most of the news is strong, so this would be expected. This is a massive candle though. Pretty massive candle. What's that? 140 pip candle. I got it. All right, nice, nice, nice. How many persons are crying right now? This is the first time since we did the 215 zone earlier, where price has now come to test our 15 um, minute projection line. You had a buy in, right? It's the first. Oh, damn! Now it's going through. This is a massive candle. $900 I had a buy in. Me. All right, good. All right, so this is a strong sell off. Sylvia, what did you do with that? What did you do with that? Hold that big buy. Yeah, we go in. Money is unreal. Yeah, money is going crazy. Money is going crazy. And I close it just in time. Okay. No idea what to do with the buy. Silhouette, it's all up to you. It's all up to you. You went in again. Did you take another one after you just closed out $1,800? You took another sell on that. Really? This is a very strong retracement. What's the 15-minute candle saying? Candle close in 10 minutes. Let's see. If this wick continues to play like this and close inside of the zone, that means that the zone is then back in effect on the 15-minute candle. So if in the next 10 minutes this 15-minute candle closes inside of the zone, then it is back in effect. If it closes outside, you'll just have to wait patiently. Still hold a buy. I don't know what you guys are so confusing. Some persons are in buy, some people are in sell. I don't know what you guys are doing. There's still 1,100 2.3 lots since Monday. All right, look, so that 5-minute candle closed in the zone. That's very good. This 15-minute candle still have 9 minutes left. I still feel that the 215 zone is still active. We still have quite a few candles closing around our point of interest. Now the market isn't crazy. The market is doing what it has always done. Whenever this time comes around. Sylvia, I would say maybe put the stop loss in some level of profits that you're, instead of having it at break even, put it in some level of profits that you're comfortable with, and just leave it. Let it go. Whatever happens. If it continues to 3 grand, then you're a legend. You can go down in the Guinness World Book of holding the longest trade on gold. Got a buy at 52 running up. You got a buy at 52. Nice. That was a risky one though. If you got to buy here, what were you thinking? That was a very risky one. I know you were sweating when you clicked that buy button. Yeah, well then again, if you're trading news, you know how it goes. It always go in one direction, then reverse and reverse. So it always does that. Well, we're getting a very massive push now to the upside, and then it's just in time with these New York session opening as well. How big was that candle? 200 pip. Bloody hell. Dang. Yeah, every time it does that, wick. You just have to know the pattern. I won't risk something like that. Yeah, he that was very risky. Because if he caught it right at the tip, I know that he was nervous. Because if I was taking a trade on that to take a buy here, that would be nerve wracking. Because I know that that's hella risky. That's literally like, gambling, flipping a coin. On prop second, you can't do transaction 2 minutes before the news and 2 minutes after. Yeah. I know. Actually, when was it? It was some time ago. That's why I don't like trading on the mobile as well. But yeah, on props, you definitely have to be mindful of how to do the news, because you can just lose out on your account without even knowing why, because you did a simple little thing. 15-minute time frame, what's going on? Because on Forex Factory, most of the news, let's see. So there were three red folder USD news. One came up bad, and the other two were good, right? So this means that ideally, I would say gold should be going down, in a sense. But so far, based off what we have seen, is that gold hasn't really been listening to the news. Really, it just has been doing its own thing. So when everyone would expect that it should be going down, it is going up. And when it should be going up, it's going down. So it's a bit, wishy-washy. Not advisable though. It's definitely not advisable. But you took the risk and it paid off. You took the risk and it paid off. So no worries there. No worries there. You didn't get burned. You didn't get burned. But I'm pretty positive that a lot of persons all around the world has just thrown their computer through their window. They have just stomped on their mobile device because they just got bitch slapped by this candle right here. I'm positive of that. Someone is contemplating if they should continue trading, because everything they try, they lose. I can tell you this candle is not driven by news. This candle right here is driven by emotions. Wishy-washy. Definitely is wishy-washy. I tell you, a lot of persons are feeling this candle right now. 5 minute time frame. What's happening? We get a strong rejection from our 215 zone. We're getting a push again to the higher highs of this candle. Are we looking to get a rejection? Are we looking to push for new all-time highs? What is DXY doing? DXY doesn't even know what it wants to do, because it made that massive wick up and down, and it's now going down. So weird. But every trader should know, don't jump on the opening ever. You'd want to say that. You'd think that. You'll think that every trader knows that, but honestly, they don't. Tears, sorrow, and pain. Yeah, this is definitely a tears, sorrow, and pain candle. I like my buy from 286. Okay, then leave leave your buy from 286. Leave it. Leave it. Don't trouble it. Leave it then. Do we wait for a retest? It's still right now. The seas are still a bit rough because news just came out. Then what's gonna happen? We have the New York openings and all of that, so it's still gonna be a little bit rough. So I would say, ideally, wait a bit. It has tested our 1 hour resistance, but these massive candles, I won't be taking an entry 2 on these massive candles, right? Um, y'all are invited in my house for dinner. Nice. Do you have that many pips to spare? Brilliant. Yeah, lovely day, guys. Lovely day, lovely week. Love the week for everyone. Everyone should be really nice, really, really nice. I need to check if I can keep it for the week. Yes, I was gonna say that to you as well because I don't think all of the brokerage actually does that. I don't think FTMO does that though. But reach out if you use FTMO, reach out to them and find out. I need to check. Yeah. DXY is lost, bro. DXY been lost since Trump came in, man. So it's like, should I go up? Oh no, let's go down. Wait a minute. Hmm. It's really just been confusing. It's not really doing anything. But gold on the other hand is going crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Now, there's no need. If you guys are up, most of you should be up. If you did take entry model 2 this morning, you should be up above more than 40 pips, I would imagine. Um, because even if you rode it from here to here, yeah, that was more than 40 pips back here. So funny how I said it like that. All right. So most of y'all should be up for today, and some of y'all just got some extra pips on the news scandal. All right. We've had a good week, so I'm pretty positive we're ending in green this week. If you guys didn't go back in the market and overtrade, yesterday, you guys went crazy in the Telegram group, man. Why were you guys taking so many trades, man? Are we buying now? I'm not sure what you're doing, Molov, but we aren't taking any entries. The market hasn't settled as yet for us to apply any of the 215 technique to it. So we're still just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Fresh start on Monday. Yeah, definitely going to fresh start on Monday. Also as well, the premium group will be released over the weekend. So it should be something to look out for as well if any y'all are interested in that. I hate Fridays. Usually my experience is that people take profits and shorts most of the time. Well, that if that's always what happened, Peter, then you go for a short once it's confirmed. See, these 5 minute candles are so massive. No, if you can't take an entry, you can use a 215 technique on these candles. These are too big, too massive. All right, so I'm confident yet in the green day. So I'm not confident yet in the green day. Oh, okay. All right, no worries at all. Peter, is the first time actually seeing your name here on the live stream. Possibly it might be your first time on the stream, or maybe even the first time you have come to the chat section. But if that's the case, welcome, my friend. Welcome. And if this is the first time, you have many more pips to eat with us. Do you have a Telegram group? Of course, we do have a Telegram group, Adrian. If you go to my YouTube page, you should see my Telegram group on there as well. And also, guys, you can share the Telegram group as well to get others to join as well. So this is my Telegram group. Over the weekend, I will be adding the premium information on there as well, and the mentorship information on there as well. I'm scared of taking charts. I'm watching you since a week and already on your Telegram, and I like your technique. Nice, nice. Have you ever taken any of our entries though, Peter? Because I know that some of the entries we take on this channel are crazy. I know they're very crazy and they go against the norm, but yeah, they are profitable. They are profitable entries most of the times. We don't always get a loss, but whenever we do get a loss, we recover pretty quickly. All right, we have candles coming back into the zone. The momentum seems to be slowing down. So yep, it's definitely going to be one to watch. The 215 zone, I still think the 215 zone still have some juice left in it. So it's going to be one to watch. Definitely going to be one to watch. Just posted the Telegram group for those persons who haven't joined as yet. Please go ahead and do so. Remember, the premium group is coming over the weekend. I will be sending the information on. And additionally, as well, if you'd like to be part of my mentorship for this month, basically, I won't call it a mentorship, but it would be very intimate one-to-one on the 215, where you will be getting. You'll be learning it from myself. I'll be teaching it to you in the one-to-one session. As well, you'll also be receiving guidance from me as well for the entire month, and we'll deep dive into many different entry models. As well, there's also be coaching session as well. So a lot of benefits from that. So all the information is coming out in the Telegram group for over the weekend. So if you want to be a part of that, there's not going to be a lot of slots. I'm only taking 5 persons for this month. So if that's something that you may be interested in learning the 215 technique fully, then that's the place to learn it. And we're better to learn it from the man himself, right? Trading on stocks mostly right now, Nvidia and such have trading experience, but day trading, it's a very different animal. Yeah, because I'm guessing that you would hold your stocks for a longer period of time versus us, where we will just take it for a ride and come off as millionaires. Yeah. All right, let's see. We have 7 likes, only 7 likes, and we have 27 persons on the channel. Come on, guys. Like that stream. We finally hit the 1,100 mark when it comes on to subscribers. Very good point to end the week. And we also have our 24-hour live stream that is coming up once we hit 2,150 subscribers. All right, so if you have been enjoying the many pips that the chef has been dishing out, remember to share the stream, share the channel, share the Telegram, and get those followers up. The fact that I went in again with zero point 0.6 lot size at 170 pip, that is brilliant, Manny. Keep it up, my friend. You have been a star. Okay, all right. So as promised, guys, as promised, it is a short stream today. I'm actually going to end the stream now and actually go for lunch. Um, I'm not taking any more entries for the day. I think I'm properly fed for this week. So we will tune in again next week to start it off yet again on Monday. All right. So remember, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as well, please go ahead and do so. All right. Now, remember as well, to show your appreciation to the 215 technique, all I ask for you to do at this moment in time is to share the channel. Yeah, Peter, sorry. Yeah, it's a very short session today because I'm not trading the New York session. I'm not looking for any entries. I am up for the week and I'm going to close. I'm ending the week in green. So on that note, I'm just going to stay safe, and I would recommend it for everyone as well. But it depends on how much more appetite you have for more. But that is it for me. I did get a nice 50 pip move this morning, so I'm perfectly fine with that. So I'm very sorry that this is going to be a short session for you guys, but remember, just rest up. Monday again is going to be a very ideal time. And remember that I'm in London, I'm in UK, so the time zones are a little bit different. I believe that some of you guys, it's just morning on your end, but for me, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, on that note, I'll leave y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe and happy trading.